In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Teams. In the results, look for the official Microsoft link. It should clearly indicate it's from Microsoft, which helps you avoid lookalike pages. Click the correct link to go to the Teams sign-in or homepage. Next, sign in to Teams with your work, school, or personal account. Once you're signed in, you can adjust your camera settings before you join a call, which is the easiest place to confirm everything is working. Before a call, look for the More button. That's the three dots or ellipsis in the top right area of Teams. Click that, then choose Settings. In Settings, open the Video section. Here, you'll see a drop-down list of available cameras. Select your preferred webcam from that list. If you have multiple devices connected, like a built-in laptop camera and an external webcam, make sure you choose the one you actually want to use. Most of the time, you'll see a small preview window. If the preview shows your image clearly, you're set for the call. If you still don't see video, your operating system may be blocking Teams from accessing your hardware. On Windows, open the System settings. From there, select Privacy and Security. In the list of permissions, click Camera. At the top, turn on camera access so Windows itself allows the camera to be used. Then scroll down and ensure the toggle for Microsoft Teams is set to On. This lets the Teams app use your webcam. Also, make sure the option called Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera is enabled. This setting is important for many workplace apps, including Teams, and turning it on ensures the camera is available even outside of the Microsoft Store environment. After updating these permissions, return to Teams, open the More menu again, and double-check your video settings to confirm the correct camera is selected. You should now see the live preview appear. One last thing to check is the physical camera hardware. Many laptops and external webcams have a privacy slider or shutter. If that cover is closed, even partially, your camera will appear black or unavailable. Slide it open and try the preview once more. That's it. By choosing the correct link, signing in, selecting your camera in Teams, and verifying Windows privacy settings, you should have your video working smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back on camera with confidence.